It's Emily from WTI, and I'm here to tell you about these pillow inserts from the Utopia store. These are the 12 by 20 pillow inserts for lumbar size pillows. They're super fluffy, super cushy, and they work great to stuff a 12 by 20 pillow cover like this one here. They come in a 2-pack, which is convenient when you have a set of pillows that you would like to have pillow inserts for. I have these 2 pillow covers, and buying the set of 2 of the pillow inserts has worked great. It's awesome to have these basic pillow inserts because then if you decide to change up your decor, you can just get new pillow covers but continue to use these fluffy pillow inserts. It also is nice because instead of having a pillow that you can't take the cover off of, with these, it's easy to wash the cover if you need to and put the pillow insert back in, which keeps everything fresh and clean. I've been really happy with this purchase, this 2-pack of pillow inserts, because like I said, they're really fluffy and comfy, and they've fit inside 12 by 20 pillow covers really well. And so I think that they've been a really good quality and a really good value. And that's my point of view.